Here's what you should know about the new Paula's Choice 6% Mandelic acid plus 2% lactic acid liquid exfoliant. In this video, you will learn the benefits of this new liquid exfoliant, including who it's for, the correct application, and the do's and don'ts. The new Paula's Choice 6% Mandelic acid plus 2% lactic acid liquid exfoliant is best for those who have a dry skin type or concerns with hyperpigmentation or fine lines, wrinkles, or sensitivity. The liquid exfoliant is made up of 6% Mandelic acid plus 2% lactic acid, which are a complex of gentle alpha hydroxy acids that resurface and shed built up layers of dead skin cells. Mandelic acid has a larger molecular size, and they use time-release lactic acid in their formula to provide a slow and gentle penetration to the skin. Both of these ingredients are perfect for skin tones on the higher side of the Fitzpatrick scale because they are less likely to cause post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. The skin perfecting liquid exfoliant also contains yarrow root extract and cherry blossom, which help to support the skin barrier and microbiome. Paula's Choice state that all skin types can use this liquid exfoliant. However, you all know from my previous videos that for an oily skin type or anyone acne prone, their 2% BHA liquid exfoliant is going to give you better results. So who would I recommend to use this liquid exfoliant? If you have dry skin or you have concerns with sensitivity, rosacea, aging, or hyperpigmentation. If you have an oily skin type or you're prone to getting breakouts, stick to their 2% liquid exfoliant. Here's how to use this new liquid exfoliant in your skincare routine. It is a water texture, so you can either apply to your hands and pat into your skin or apply a few drops onto a cotton pad and apply it to your face. Include your neck and chest area, but avoiding the eyes and lips. It is a leave-on product, so once you apply it, you do not need to wash it off. Start your routine with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities from your skin, followed by a gentle toner, which is optional. Next, apply the liquid exfoliant. You would then go in with any water-based serums or oil-based serums. Finish with a moisturizer and, of course, wearing your sunscreen. Use the liquid exfoliant 2 to 3 times a week. Here are some do's and don'ts when it comes to using this liquid exfoliant in your skincare routine. Don't use daily. You don't need to exfoliate every single day. It's too much for the skin. This still has exfoliating acids in the product. Don't mix with niacinamide or retinol. Don't layer with another exfoliating product. Do carry out a patch test before you fully incorporate it into your routine. Do apply to dry skin, so wait until your skin is completely dry until you apply this liquid exfoliant. Do apply sunscreen when using the liquid exfoliant, as AHA ingredients increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun. Always apply sunscreen. Now, if you encounter persistent irritation or adverse reactions, discontinue use immediately and consult a skin professional. Now, let us know in the comments if you have heard of the new Paula's Choice liquid exfoliant and what are your thoughts so far. Now, even though this exfoliant helps with the skin's microbiome due to its cherry blossom and yarrow root extract ingredients, you should never exfoliate an impaired skin barrier. To learn more about impaired skin barriers and how to fix it, check out this video here next.